Hello, and welcome to this webinar where we talk about Lunawood Thermowood Composite. My name is Maija Masalin, and I'm responsible for the marketing and product management of Lunawood products. In this webinar, we are going to talk about what is Lunawood Thermowood Composite, what kind of products do we have in our portfolio, and how to maintain the thermowood composite decking. Lunawood Thermowood Composite is a high-quality composite decking material made in Finland, and it is the most dimensionally stable composite on the market due to its unique composition. Our thermowood composite decking is more resistant to temperature fluctuations than any other composite material. And the reason is the PEFC certified sustainable thermowood fiber used in the manufacturing of our Lunawood thermowood composite. Thermowood itself is fully dimensionally stable, so the thermal expansion of our composite material is minimal, only about 1 millimeter per meter in case of 50-degree temperature change. In addition, the thermowood composite boards are rigid and they do not twist or bend. Lunawood thermowood composite is also an ecological choice. 85% of the raw materials used come from recycled materials. The product contains twice as much of thermowood fiber as is found in a piece of solid thermowood of the same size. The Lunawood thermowood composite is 3 times the density of Nordic pine. In addition to thermowood fiber, our product contains high-quality Sirco recycled polypropylene plastic and other necessary dyes and additives. Lunawood thermowood composite is a long-lasting choice for decking, stairs, pools, balconies, jetties, and other exterior applications where long service life, easy maintenance, and modern visual look are required. Hidden fixing enables quick installation of the decking, and minimal thermal expansion allows small gaps in the extensions. Our composite product is completely safe since it does not contain any toxic chemicals or PVC plastic. Our thermowood composite contains high amount of thermowood fiber, which has better thermal insulation compared to untreated timber. This means that our composite decking does not heat up as much in the sun as other composites with the same color. And our composite is not slippery, even when wet. Lunawood thermowood composite comes in 4 different beautiful colors: graphite gray, mocha brown, silver gray, and black. It has 2 different surface structures and 2 different thicknesses and widths. We recommend Luna TWPC 26 by 140 product, especially for private use at homes and balconies. For decking projects that require more durability, for public places, and decking where a massive luxury outlook is desired, we recommend our strong Luna TWPC 42 by 200 composite board. This true king of composite materials is also known as Heavy Deck or Big Boy. We have a number of different accessories in our selection to make the composite terrace look finished. Thanks to their hollow structure, the boards can accommodate cables for lighting and heating solutions. The aluminium L-strip on these photos finishes the edges of the terrace and also protects the decking boards from possible cracking on the edges, especially on the stairs and access routes. Luna TWPC decking products have 2 different use sites. On the left side of the photo is the brushed surface, and on the right side is the grooved surface. The customer can choose which side faces upwards when installing. Because of the nature of the thermowood fiber, the composite decking material has a brown hue when new, but the color becomes gray after exposure to sunlight, as natural wood also does. The colors may differ slightly from those shown in the picture. A new product is on the left-hand side, and the product after exposure to sunlight on the right-hand side. The final color may vary depending on the amount of UV light it is exposed to. Lunawood Thermowood Composite is easy to maintain and does not require annual surface treatment. Our composite will give many years of service with minimal maintenance. We recommend brushing the board surface and the gaps between boards regularly and wash the decking when necessary. As the product is not fully water repellent, any stains, like food, grease smudges, should be removed immediately to prevent them from discoloring the surface. Lunawood Thermowood Composite can be treated with pigmented wood oil to preserve its even color. As with solid wood, Thermowood Composite is vulnerable to scratching, so the feet of any furniture placed on it should be equipped with pads. Care should also be taken during construction in order to avoid surface scuffing. Avoid hard knocks to keep the decking surface intact. The knocks on the surface can be sanded with sandpaper from the brushed use side. Lunawood Thermowood Composite is the most dimensionally stable composite on the market, and it has been manufactured from the byproduct of Lunawood production, the high-quality thermowood fiber and recycled plastic. This thermowood composite material, which is made in Finland, is an ecological and safe choice for private and public building projects. Follow us in social media, in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, and if you have anything to ask, please do not hesitate to contact us at info@lunawood.com.